Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you already know, I'm doing another fitted dress from an oversized t-shirt, and boom, there it is. So if you want to see how I achieve this, stay tuned. Alright, so here I'm just taking the oversized t-shirt and the fitted dress that I previously made, and I'm just kind of pretty much just sizing things up to get the shape that I need. And in this one, if you notice that I don't cut the sleeves off like I did the last one, because I kind of wanted to see what difference it would make. So I'm going ahead and cutting this out, or cutting out the shape, and I am giving myself, a little extra wiggle room. So this time, this is something different that I'm doing. I'm just folding the shirt over to make sure I get the same exact or close as possible shape from one side, or from the left side to the right side. So that's why I flipped it over this time, because I ain't had time to be trying to sit up there and try to get that all together with the other side, and it be lopsided and stuff. You know how that goes. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn the shirt inside out and begin to pin it down so I can start the sewing process. so now I'm going to turn the dress back on the right side, and then I'm going to go ahead and like tuck on the sleeves a little bit to try to get rid of the jagged edges so it's not as noticeable, since I didn't hem the sleeves. Yeah, I wasn't trying to do all that, so that's why I'm pulling on the sleeves right now to kind of, make it roll up a little.